hand's in, right hand's coming. I'm just doing the same technique we did, except from a different scenario. Take breath here, do my block as I step. The same application from a different distance. So just watch again. He holds here, and it's got to come up. That's my high block. I step through. I'm just going to go to here, where he's decided to lose balance. When I do this, imagine that's his neck. When I do that punch, that hits him inside the neck. It's not just pushing. Right, but basic. But I have all the space to move, and no one's affecting my balance very quickly. So it's relatively simple to go 1, 2. So now he's got hold of me. So this is the first thing. So I've got to bring a Henka. But what the kata does is it pushes forward with a punch. So some of us are punching first, and then trying to step, or stepping first, and then trying to punch. So everything from here is pushing forward. Walking hand is pushing, punching hand pushing, and step. So it's just like the kata. There it goes. 1, 4. And I go this way, and then when we do this movement, our basic is a straight step. Here, from Chudan, our basic is a circular step. And so the way you step depends on what you're trying to do. The basic one is punching. I go this way, I'm just trying to go in a straight line to hit it. So I need a straight step. If we do the second one he grabs, this guy, straight step doesn't work. I run into it, so it's now the circle step. So depending on, there's no right or wrong circle straight step, it depends on the application. But the basic step in the Gekisai is